Yay, there's sun! Good morning, guys. I am currently at Grand Staircase-Escalante, exactly at Lower Falls Creek Trail. I came here last night and camped at the campsite, which is just at the trailhead. My main GoPro's been acting up, so I switched it to the second one. Thank God I have extra. So, the campsite is really beautiful and it's just by the trailhead. I made my dinner and it was amazing. But then as soon as it was getting dark, it's getting scary too because I'm just by myself in the campsite. But it wasn't bad. I woke up this morning, it was really cold. It is 22 degrees. Good thing the lady at the state park told me that it's gonna get cold when you get closer to the water, so I brought all layers. There is no signal here, so as soon as I saw that state park has a Wi-Fi, I asked to join in and then download the map in this area, download whatever I need, and here I am, functional. It's hard to function without a phone these days.
Sunrise, a new day, it's go time. Let's go out and try new things, try new things. Exploring, every day's a new morning. Just forget your worries now, worries now.
It's amazing that the sun is out today. It's the first time I've seen full sun this past week.
We're outside now, yeah. Get outside now. Sun-kissed, you know you wanna be sun-kissed. Here's an adventure you don't wanna miss. Go live your life and feel the bliss. Sun-kissed, you know you wanna be sun-kissed. Here's an adventure you don't wanna miss. Go live your life and feel the bliss.
Here it is, the Calf Creek Falls. It's so beautiful. Nobody's here. Amazing. Oh my God. So happy. I'm happy because I was gonna cancel this hike because last night I was super scared of being alone in this camp. It's so funny that fear can control you. But I'm so glad I did it!
Sun-kissed, you know you wanna be sun-kissed. Here's an adventure you don't wanna miss. Go live your life and feel the bliss.
Well, I think it is time to head back now. I have a really long drive going down south, so I better keep going. But it's so hard to go! That falls is so beautiful. I'm definitely gonna come back when it's not winter. And I wanna soak in. It got hot today, but I'm not complaining. I have not seen the sun for a while. That is my hike for today. It is the Lower Calf Creek Falls. It is over 6 miles. Moderate, not difficult, not easy. It will make you sweat even in this winter weather. See you on the next trail.
Sun-kissed, you know you wanna be